Yo, Zan fam. Yo, I'm Zan. We're looking at a Honda Rebel 250 here. Zoom out a little. Yay, my mother's Honda Rebel 250. We back at home. We checking this out. Today I have officially made a spacer in here. This guy, and underneath it to fit a newer style Honda Rebel 250 shift lever onto a 1985. So this is for a 90, and I'm gonna mess these numbers up because the online or the eBay thing I got it from messed them up too. 96 to 2004-ish, somewhere in there, shift lever. And it may not be everything angled properly compared to what the thing works, but it works. I just went around the block a few times with it and tested it out. So what I had to do is make some spacers underneath this assembly here, because the diameter of the shift lever here, I don't know if we can clarify, is 14 millimeter, I believe. And the original piece that's here, welded here, which is broken a little bit and goes out to here, is 10 mil. So I bought a 3/8 by 3/8 interior diameter, 1/2 inch exterior diameter, outside diameter, IDOD, by 1.25 inches. Pretty sure. Yep, 1.25 inches. I know I'm right now. Tube that goes underneath this, and if this isn't too hot, which it is, but we'll do it anyways. Well, I don't have my tools here, and I don't know where my wrench went, but we'll figure it out. Figure it out for you. So we'll take off the stock nut here, or bolt. Actually, it's a bolt. It goes in the end, and stock washer without burning my hands on the warm exhaust. Okay. To avoid hot exhaust fumes. Okay, there we go. Spacer. Washer, which is very tight on here. There it goes. Wiggle it off. Nope. Come on. There it goes. Okay, so this is a interior diameter. Let's see if I can get it over there without burning my phone. It's kind of blurry, but you guys get it. So it's a spacer that's interior diameter was 3/8. Or is it 3? Oh, anyways, 3. I'm gonna say it was 3/8 on the inside and 1/2 inch on the outside, which allowed this guy to slip over, and it's a little loose, which is okay. By 1.25 inches long, and then a washer that's 1/2 inch that I ground down a little bit to make it a little thinner so it would match the profile. And then this guy here is a 1/2 inch interior diameter by 5/8 exterior diameter that goes over the top of it, and then it bolts on, so we can then have these match. So I saw a lot of places online that, or a lot of on the forums, that didn't know how to get a new shift lever for this, and they're having a lot of problems with it. My other option was to break off this weld, put a bolt all the way through that matched the outside diameter of this and the length, and then rebolt it, but that seemed like more work, and this will hold for now, seeing as this is Mom's little scoot around town toy, and I've tested it for a few miles and it seems to be holding very well. Okay, make sure it still moves. Okay. So it got rid of, this had a lot of plant, like it would wiggle inches up and down. Now it's like very, very tight compared to what it was, and the washer lets it move. So the longer tube in there, the 1.25 inches, I drilled out to be 10 mil to match the 10 mil inside, which didn't take too much time. I just put in a bench vise and grabbed a 10 mil. Can we focus? We're not gonna focus. Okay. Turn the brightness up. No, not gonna focus. So yeah, that's my quick video for today of how I got this to work. You know, the mechanism works perfectly fine. It's a lot better. The only thing I may recommend, and we might do in the future, is bend this. Oops, look at the camera while I'm doing this. Bend this out so that instead of being here, it's here, and then bend this to match. because it's a little, if you can see, like the shift lever's outside the foot peg. You kind of got to reach over for it. Going down is fine because you're just right on top of it. And I may have to bring it up just a bit. It may not be in the right position for that. I mean, I enjoyed it. I thought it was nice where it was. My mom may want this up or down a little bit, and there is an adjuster down here. But yeah. Okay, everyone. Quick video. Very little editing for me, so it'll be easy to do. Party on. Talk to you guys later. Ride safe. Out for Zan.